Is the 4-year Russia-Ukraine war finally coming to an end? A top US official says Ukraine has agreed in principle to a peace deal with Russia with only minor details now pending. This breakthrough reportedly came during talks in Abu Dhabi where US Army Secretary Dan Driscoll met with Russian officials on a proposal to halt the fighting. Ukraine President Zelensky is not at this point reacting. He's not celebrating yet, as we know. He says there's more work needs to be done for him to approve and sign on the proposal. But his national security advisor is quite optimistic and even suggested that Zelensky will be traveling to Washington this month to seal the agreement. Russia hasn't publicly responded so far, but its foreign minister Sergei Lavrov has warned that Moscow could reject the peace deal if there's any more revision to the deal that was overlooked by the United States. Says that at the recent US-Russia summit in Alaska, the deal and the decision that was drawn out should ideally be what finally settles. If there's if any changes come about, then they will not agree to it. This dramatic diplomatic push here is happening as both sides, Ukraine and Russia at this point, are still in war. Overnight strikes happened. 7 people were killed in Kiev in the last 24 hours. NATO jets scrambled after a Russian drone entered Romanian airspace. So war is still on, and in the midst of this, there's talk extensively on a peace deal. International media reports that the US proposal of the peace deal here includes some concessions to Ukraine. That includes giving up entire Donetsk region and dropping the bid to join NATO, exactly the 2 terms that Zelensky had rejected earlier. But with Russian advances now only worsening, especially around Pokrovsk, US officials believe Russia may capture Donetsk regardless, by talks or by force. If this deal goes through, though, the war will finally end after 4 years, and Donald Trump could really be taking the credit for it.